Hello folks, today we show you how to make vegan sushi. First of all, we prepare the gari with hot water. Then we add some pepper and mix it well. As follows, 2 tablespoons of palm sugar into a pot with water. Then put the liquid above the cut ginger. Here are the other ingredients. Sushi rice, avocado and mango, the before prepared gari, Asia Green Garden Sushi Kit, available at Aldi Süd, dark soy sauce, mango, carrot, cucumber, cress, later you'll still need the rice vinegar one more time. Look how the fermented gari changed its color meanwhile. Now it's time for carefully washing the rice. First we start with cutting the cucumber. Therefore remove the soft inner layer of the cucumber. First cut the cucumber lengthways, then into cubes. Time for peeling the carrot. Cut the carrot lengthways again. Further dice the carrots. And see the cutting results. I cannot get enough of those cutting skills. Next, peel the avocado. And cut it away from the core. Cut the avocado into slices. Cut also across so that you get cubes. Then it's time for cutting the mango. Cut into slices. Here you see our results. Next, pick up the rice. Here you see all prepared ingredients. The cut cucumber, carrots, avocados and mangoes. Lift the rice vinegar under the rice. Put around 0.5 centimeters layer of rice onto the nori leaf. Then put the cucumber and carrot cubes on top. If you like, add a bit of wasabi sauce and carefully roll everything inside. Tighten the roll. Now you can cut the roll in slices. Repeat the process. Here comes the sweet version with coconut rasps. Now you can put the mangoes on top. Keep rolling. Place the slices onto another plate. Now we're preparing the sweet sticky rice. Put the coconut milk inside the pot. Stir the coconut milk around. Add the rice to the coconut milk. Add palm sugar next. Mix everything well. Now you can serve. If you want, you can still make one more roll with the coconut milk rice. We recommend you to also add coconut rasps and mango cubes. Now we can finally serve everything. Look at those yummy dishes. Get our beautiful, high quality WhatTheChef mug in our store. Just click at the link below with the following address.